Okay.
Many pigs would have given up by now.
Much like the lighter.
Of course, many pigs would have caught on and not looked so bright by now, too.
Those would probably be... Not just the pig who was surprised this time.
I don't know why it's funny, but it is.
How many more of them you got?
Well, a few, but it turns out Asian has shown up.
Oh Lord, you're probably taping that. That's a little revenge of the stiff act.
I'm sorry, the camera's shaking.
This thing just flared up, so I'm going to put my finger in it.
Yeah, I'm sure that's the recommended safety procedure.
No, I think you can pretty much count on us having given up on... This seems strangely appropriate. Look who just showed up.
It's the fire truck. I swear if I'd known we were going to be blowing up plastic pigs on my sidewalk, I'd have mowed the yard yesterday.
Hey there. Cowboys are shooting back at me. Indian chiefs. Gunfighters. He's dead. These are about as good as those 99-cent send-away soldiers that you would get from a comic book in about 1970.
So this is kind of like the Mastodon.
Yeah, something like that.
The giant pig hunt.
Okay.
Only Piggy has a surprise. It's very Pink Floyd-esque, don't you think?
Surprised that it's being used somewhere.
You think maybe we should move the pink bag with other fireworks in it?
Nah.
Just checking.
Okay.
Just checking.
Goodbye, Piggy.
Poor Piggy.
Poor Piggy. Yeah, Piggy didn't lose that time. I think Piggy may have melted into the sidewalk. Oh, the sharing moment. Ah!